Okay, this video is to show how to use the smart TV. The most basic thing is to turn it on. So this is the control, the power button. And once it's turned on, if you are using a PC, Uncle William has put all the cables behind. There's a HDMI cable here and a VGA cable here. Okay, so take either of those cables, plug it into your computer, and then on your control, press the top button, top left button, this one. This allows you to choose the source. The HDMI cable should be HDMI or HDMI 3, I'm not sure, depending on the TV. Or you can choose PC, and then you just press OK. Of course, right now I don't have any PC plugged in, so it won't help. Then it'll just show that there's no signal. That's fine. If your PC is plugged in, then you have to set your PC to use this as an external monitor. For screen mirroring, which is more interesting, the button is down here, this one with this picture. When you press this button, then it will get to screen mirroring. You have to do this first, and then I'm going to demonstrate on a few different types of phones. So this is a Samsung phone. Let me unlock it. On Samsung phones, you bring down your notification bar and you must show all of this. There should be something there called screen mirroring. So when I press screen mirroring, then it will show a list of TVs. Normally you only see one because it can only connect to the nearest TV. But if many teachers are doing it at the same time and many TVs are on, they're all called Toshiba TV, unfortunately. So when it's connecting, it takes a while. What this does is basically whatever is on your phone shows exactly on the TV with a bit of lag. So you can use this to play videos. Of course, try and rotate your phone. I don't know. Okay, video. Okay, can the video app rotate? Okay, so yes, so you see when your phone is rotated, then you can see the video quite well on the TV. Okay, the Wall of Jericho. Thank you, Wall of Jericho. Bye-bye. Okay, when you are done, then you just need to turn off screen mirroring. Okay. And then this disconnects. Next, for a Huawei phone, let me unlock it. So for a Huawei phone, similarly, you will bring this down. You should be able to see wireless projection. Yep, that's what it's called, wireless projection. And then it's searching for devices. The TV must be having this screen mirroring thing going on, obviously. So it is searching for devices, make sure the projection is enabled. Okay, so once you can see Toshiba TV, you just press Toshiba TV and it's connecting. And then similar to the Samsung, once it's connected, then you can do the same thing. So this is useful if you want to do like slides or stuff. Rather than using a PowerPoint file, PDF would work well as well. Where you just scroll through the PDF on your phone and it shows on the big screen for your kids. Okay, so let's disable Bluetooth. Sorry, dear. Okay, so this Huawei phone seems to have a virtual desktop. I have no idea how this works. You should do it on your own. Okay, this is actually really cool. So this is now your mouse projection, and you can choose your screen size, and you can run certain apps. I had no idea that Huawei does this because this is not my phone. But yes, you could knock yourself out if you want. So let's turn that off. This is just how you connect. Then turn off the wireless projection. That's done. So for Xiaomi based phones, it's slightly different. You go to your settings here. Under settings, there's wireless networks. You go to more and go to wireless display. Okay, and then you have to turn it on. When you turn it on, then you should see the TV appear and press. So when we press it, it's connecting, and you can see on the TV itself, it is also connecting. And that is what we will see. The other thing I will show on here is that on my phone, I have the Kahoot app installed. So this is just a quiz show app, but it's good to play. Let me just start up Earth Science, play, host live. Okay, so what happens with Kahoot is if you use the app and you host it on the TV, it will be very nice compared to if you load up the website. I've tried loading up the website and it just doesn't show all the options very well. Okay, so that's something you can consider for those who know how to do it. So that's all for using your phone. I don't know about the iPhone, unfortunately. There might be a way, but because I don't use an iPhone, so I'll go to wireless display, turn it off, and it's disconnected. So I don't use an iPhone. I don't know whether this can be done with an iPhone. Perhaps there's an app for that. But now I'm going to turn off the TV. Always remember to turn it off. Thank you.